I miss you when I can't sleep. Or right after coffee, or right when I can't eat. I miss you in my front seat.
Alex, if my boyfriend knows about this, he will be super mad with me.
Forgot sand in my sweaters from nights we don't remember.
We have so many nights we don't remember.
Do you miss me like I miss you?
Can we not talk about this, Alex? You're making me remember things I never thought I will.
Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too. And I'm always tired but never of you.
Alex, I'm telling you again, I have a boyfriend now. You have to forget us, we're done and we're over.
Keep it on the low, you're still in love with me, but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you would just say so. And if I were you, I would never let me go.
My friends just need to know what you did to me. Plus, I didn't let go, you made me.
I don't mean no harm, I just miss you on my arm. Wedding bells were just alarms, caution tape around my heart. You ever wonder what we could have been?
Yes, I had so many dreams, but we just couldn't go on. Don't play mind games with me, Alex. I still care for you, but I have a boyfriend now.
All alone, I watch you watch her, like the only you've ever seen. You don't care, you never did. You don't give a damn about me.
I do, Alex. I do. Please don't say those things.
I hate that I want you. You want, need her, and I'll never be her.
I know you're different, and he is different. I wish he was a little bit like you, but I can't leave him now. You would leave him cause you've always been cheating. You... Who? Me? Oh my god, what is happening? My love was a game? It shouldn't be a shame. Well, it's not for me. You stupid. You just got pranked. Song blew up pranked. Haven't you heard I Hate You, I Love You by Gnash? Say hi to YouTube, girl. At least not a cheater like you. You know, there's a saying for you. Once a cheater, always a cheater. You fit true in that.